safety, please be advised that the use of power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off and should not be connected to any device while on board. Additionally, please ensure that your power bank is individually packed and kept in the seat pocket in front of you or in your pocket. If you notice any signs of overheating, smoke, or fire from a power bank, please notify your cabin crew immediately. Sorry, excuse me po. What's your seat number? Saan ko na po yung boarding pass? Sige, ma'am. Pero sa inyong cabin pass, ano ang